yabo ungathi ukhuthaza ubaby daddy ubhema ama drugs naye ubhema insango naye alokathi sex imnandi makubhenywa insango you become high. That guy, he was arrested for raping a 14-year-old child. One time, apparently this child quickly come and confess and say no, he did not, and then he was out. But that guy apparently he was going to stand for cancellancy because so clear manje bafonela kaya hey man bare itwile kuri kuna march and march ara khululeka la tshepisonko haba futhi bayigada ba patrola nabusiku la ene ngeke ba blame bakhuluma kanjalo. Akusi, it's not personal meeting here my brother, it's community meeting. Want to say ukhuluma masimba lo ukhuluma ngalabo bantu bonke. It doesn't matter how you sugarcoat it wena ukuthi hayi mina ngithuka loya why umthukela la ku community meeting wabona re dikhothane tse lapileng in a way ke batla hore re dikhothane ke a khotha mara le nna ke na next so ke competition ya tlala fela ngangitshela wena wena ukhulumane. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed, #1 educational speaker in the whole world. Is your host with the most. Thank you very much, bafethu siyazibongela bafethu siyabona nawabukela ama video wethu sicela invite nabanye babukela ama video wethu in a way of sharing. Nikhulume ngawo bafethu nibabize. This podcast, as I said, it is the #1 educational podcast in the whole world. Thank you ngiyabonga bafethu. Ngithanda ukuqala ngokusho ukuthi bafethu yazi empilweni la we need movement. Let's talk about a movement a little. You know, everything that is going forward, that is moving, it's encouraging. We all want the movement, even in our lives, right? Thank you very much. So, as such an example, the car, you know, imoto ukuthi ihambe kumele edume. Uyabona? But mayingana petrol, ingana ma oil right, ingana manzi right, or maybe ingana matayera right, because kuma freeway imoto ithola itikiti ngamatayera angekho right. So asithathe ngokuthi ayina petrol, what do? In your life you don't have money, you are hungry, you go to bed hungry almost every day. What do? You stuck there where I miss le moto time ngoba ayihambe vele, there is no movement, you are doing nothing wena self. Yabo ethi ngikufundise mfana ukuthi or ngikukhumbuze ukuthi push it. Imoto mayipush khumbula ukuthi iyahamba, but you are not inside. That's the disadvantage. You are not inside, but ipush ngoba la ime khona akuna petrol station mfana ukuthi. Yabo akuna petrol station, and mawuthi uzothatha isigubhu wena uyele uyofuna ipetrol station, they won't trust you. Because ukhuluma ngengolube esesakeni, you are saying you're stuck somewhere with the car uphethe isigubhu bakuthatha kancane bathi lo akafuna usizo petrol lo. What if uyothela esigubhini emshinini we lawn mower? What if uyothela esikuteni lokathi imoto? What if uyoshisa abantu ngoba ufika ngesigubhu? You understand? So push it, yehla uphushe. Yabona mawuyipush uzothula ukuhamba kunabantu ama-motorist amanye azobhaka la endanga yini awuthi sidonse ifike la ngoba bayabona ukuthi you are struggling. bayayibona le ngulube ingaphandle kwesaka wevalelanga lokho khuluma ngento engekho bayakubona uyaphusha if noma bangakudlula mfana noma bangakudlula lokuyiphusha phusha ngoba what is needed is what the movement leso sikhathi iyenza lento bezoyiyenza noma ine petrol. But the difference is you don't have a petrol. But for the car to get a petrol mfana ukuthi phusha le moto uzohlangana ne petrol station ufike ngayo. Bazoze bakusize lamajita asegarage. Yabo mababona usondela bathi letsothi phusha imoto i1. Yes. Intanga zwakala bayabona ukuthi stuck ngepetrol. Nawe yabatshela bafetha ngina petrol. Bangakuthelela bona self. Ubatshela ukuthi bafethu endlini ukukude ngina petrol. Nyale angina petrol bangakuthelela some motorist again bangakuthelela. You understand? Uthola usizo phambili ungahlali la usokola khona lokukhala uthi uyasokola. Uyangithola? Nyathemba uzwile mfana semzini nyathemba uzwile ntombazane yami sisters ungastuck ebhiyeni. Yabo ungathi ukhothaza ubaby daddy ubhema ama drugs naye ubhema insango naye. Alokathi sex imnandi makubhenywa insango you become higher than what? You will become higher than your future and it is not going to be nice because uzobuyibonela phansi njenge throne. Basopho mfana semzini siyazibongela bafethu kuleyo. Another thing that I want to address bafethu the situation in Tshepisong. The situation in Tshepisong it's not nice. You know just njengomhlakasi isuka ngomhlakasi lento okay eThepisong kunento eyiningi yabo but isuka ngomhlakasi there is no development in Thepisong and eThepisong indala eyakudala abantu bakhuluma 1998 1999 uyangithola eyakudala but akuna development akuna ama swimming pool akuna ama tennis court akuna ama shop right khona manje there is a new mall that they are building right now as we speak. Apparently it is not it doesn't belong to Tshepisong. Yabo akusimole yase Tshepisong leyo. So khona I-petrol station I-Pick n Pay ngapha. Ingala kuseyase Tshepisong kuseMpala Road. If you know Impala Road is the biggest road in South Africa, one of the biggest. Yabo it's a business road kudlula ama truck la from Durban to Botswana. La eChamdog kunama company anzima isuka la eBloemfontein lendlela le ehamba ama truck. So that shop I-Express idurela abantu basekasi akuseyasekasi abantu abathenga abadluli imiphako and yazi ama shop anjalo ama mal price ayadura nje automatically. Uyangithola? So bafethu iThepisong khona manje ukukhala ngogesi ake ngiconcentrate ku lesikhalo samanje. Mina ngithi as ngishilo ngithi how can you do one thing once time and time again and expect a change? Yabona as ngishilo ngamakhansela ukuthi i4 kwenzakalani yiwo ANC ebafethu kunama hemhem la. I just hope one day I will manage to get hold of the councillor himself. I know him, but there are rumors here that says they know the problem. They are the creator as councillors there. As leaders of Tshepisong, they are the creator of the problem. Manje sekole kwa 200. Yabo ama 500 kuthiwa sizothenga a new system yomhlakasi. Yabo I'm not so sure amahemhem but kuzothengwa a new system yomhlakasi. Yabo kanjani? Apparently go Facebook na I just made this a post that says people went to City Power and City Power does not know anything about the situation in Tshepisong, Motlakase in particular. But yet the councillor is saying we must donate 200, 500 to some to get electricity. But City Power does not know anything because we use City Power here. That is why ngithi lo mfolo kumele ngeke ngizame ukukhuluma naye bafethu azophendula because it is serious. It's over a month now without umhlakasi. It's over a month now without umhlakasi. Indaba yokuqala ama 200 awani. Okay, akhona na kubantu, because 90% of abantu baseThepisong bakhola ama-grant, that's for sure. Yabona ama 350 phezulu kwe 350 ngikhiphe 200 kungana gas, akukabi no gas, but kuthiwa sikhiphe 200 imali ugesi uzolokuba khona. Uyazi ukuthi abanye abantu badepende kumxakase ukugenerate imali, but akuna gas, bayithatha ephi imali? Khona abantu bama small businesses like us, khona abantu abama small jobs, odd jobs like us, kufuneka umxakasa, abakwazi ukukhatha utshane, abakwazi ukuwelda and stuff, yet kufuneka ama 200. Yabo, so iyenzeka kanjani bafethu lento? Angeke ilunge lento ugesi. If what I'm saying is true, ngama cancel, because it's a hearsay according to me right now. I'm gonna call the guy to ask him these questions. And bafethu, mina ke ngeview yami, i-problem is bigger than this in Tshepisong. It has been big ever since Tshepisong start. I don't know, please understand guys, I don't want to discriminate anyone. What I'm gonna say, anginyatsi umuntu, angihlukumezi umuntu, but nge-respect nje, ama-view wethu bafethu awafani. iThepisong in the first place kumele sibheke ukuthi idominator abantu bakuphi, abantu banjani. Why ngisho kanjalo? La ngina-believe ukuthi 70% yabantu baseThepisong, 80% yabantu baseThepisong abantu ababuya out of Gauteng, go Free State, Natal, Limpopo, Northwest, kanjalo. Yabona, and labo bantu labo, they used to do things differently in terms of itoi, in terms of understand izinto ezifunekayo, or la kumele siqale khona as abantu masitoyi or ku community, or siyicontrole kanjani i-council. Why ngisho kanjalo? And okay, and another thing here, 80% again abantu aba out of the country now. Now I'm talking illegal or legal, because they are not all legal, right? They are not all illegal, right? Yes. So I'm talking here, there are 80% abantu baseThepisong, abantu ababuya out of the country. Together with them, they use motlakase, they use the Tshepisong facility, they are community now, right? Hey, so what is happening is that they don't participate in community meetings. Like now, Amatoitoi, they don't participate. Hence, we have now Amatoitoi Yasepso. Abantu base Gauteng, abazalelwe Gauteng, bakhulele Gauteng, abayenze lento. Itoitoi Yasepso, it's only an attack. Dallas Toitoi, including myself. Ebusuku peaceful Toitoi ayikho. Ebusuku. Unless abotsotsi bayalutha. Angithi ibizwa kanjalo this nowadays. Bayalutha now. Yabona, community meeting mfethu. Khona manje abantu bala ngingaya ko few nyana ngastop. Why I was stopping to go there, my brother? It is just that abantu uzoza umuntu athi ukhuluma amasimba lo. Ukhuluma umama wakhe lo. How can you swear at someone in the community meeting? Actually, it's not personal meeting here, my brother. It's community meeting. Want to say ukhuluma amasimba lo, ukhuluma ngalabo bantu bonke. It doesn't matter how you sugarcoat it wena ukuthi hayi mina ngithuka loya. Why umthukela la ku community meeting? You can be personal ku community meeting. But when umuntu makakhipha umbono wakhe, lo yahlanya lo khuluma umama wakhe, because when you are personal with him, you have personal agenda with that person. Angithola. So angeke ilunge manjalo. Mina ngeke ngizomela ngithukwe umuntu lapha ya ku community meeting. And again, abantu abasebenzisa umhlakasi, abantu abangaphandle kwe South Africa, abayi ema meeting, abapatrol nasebusuku. So I find it hard nami ukuthi ngipatrole njengendoda. Ukuthi bona most yabo as ngitshe 80%, 70% esemsebenzini kusela bomama most. Yabona, abanye abalaba yenza imali bathenga ama-generator manje kuyagundwa angithi bayenzani bathengisa amakwena bayenza imali uyangithola bra wami. So during the night thina kumele sivuke siyogada sipatrol inkunzi angithi i-crime bona balele because they come from work, they are tired my brother, and they don't contribute even money to those patrollers. So kahle kahle ubane i-fairness ikuphi la? Fairness ekayimo awuna fairness mo bafethu wabona akinotokata batho basebetsa mbona basayitsi next. I find it very hard because sohlekwa manje bafonela kaya man bare itwile kuri kuna march and march ara khululeka la tshepisonko haba futhi bayigada ba patrolla nabusiku la and angeke ba blame bakhuluma kanjani, angeke ba blame bakhuluma kanjani. Hence sithi ama councillor awalapha wami abantu abangazalelwanga la bonke. So mina I challenge them, all the leaders and the previous ones, to say if you were not born here, you were not grown up here, you will not understand what is needed. You will know what is needed because people will tell you lo ena o tla re sotse ba ka bana so tlwaetse na le 5 years 10 years uli o tla ra seng tshwaele nya se kante hai. You don't understand. Take me my brother, I go and be a councillor in Natal. Mangifike Natal yazi into ezongiqabanisa nabantu yini mina mangifika ngicouncil mayisuka nje ngiyobona lama 1000 by 1000 meters yamajaredi phu mina ngithi khatha abantu abanamajaredi khatha mina ngifuna i10 by 15 ngiyasejoza ngithi ngikhulele lapho. I need those small yard. I'm used to them. I understand ukuthi sizochupa fast siyenze iswitch fast siyenze infrastructure fast because ngijwayele la. And I mean ngizokhipha le inkomo zabo la ngithi there is no crawls in here. This is a location. I hambeni niyofuna something like meraka da le be dikgomo tse tsa lona outside the location because di re tlisetsa ditshintsi mo la kunenkomo kunempokane enkulu engaka. We know uyangithola and inkomo zabantu abamnyama most azihamba bo doctor angithi zipholiswa ngabo manyazeni. There is this something that is called potassium. Wabona you pour the 3 drop crystal inside the water, then it changes the color. Yeah, wabona even the chickens the aziye doctors phuzi mixela amanzi ngalento ziphole. So uyabona ukuthi akukho hygiene clean na. Yeah, so that's why ngizoqabana nabantu bala. Mina ngithi ngibadelela labantu ngithi nje they don't understand. That is why siloko sikhala ngokuthi uhambile emakhaya and makahamba emakhaya sala kwenzeka iproblem engaka la asinamhlakasi yena uhamba emakhaya but iveni yama food parcel ehambile yahamba iye Lesotho samsukela. How could we blame her? The previous councillor kuye kwaba nalawo mahemhe ukuthi hayi ukudla kubanjiwe kuhamba kuye Lesotho ayi mine la kuqashwa abantu base Lesotho. Why nimblame limblame la ubani kwakala o understand the life yakada yabathu bahabo bahlayile ngibona bahotsinile yena bafethu khona manje the previous of the before the previous from Eastern Cape bara wakhile Eastern Cape uthenga inkomo la mo blame ukazuma blame ke habo da. Home is where the heart is ke habo da mo blame la wa thola ri chapa ka dithunya yi. Hey, and people now, the community, they don't know how to go about it. Baphikisana. Yaphikiswana. Yabona. Hana next because most of us are tawu ke bujala. Most of us are retubile nyaope. Most of us are retubile mtakwana. So we are intoxicated. Yeah, we are intoxicated. So it is hard to challenge those real issues. Wabona re di khotane tse lapileng in a way ke batla hore re di khotane ke a khotha mara le nna ke na next. So ke competition ya tlala fela. Ngangitshela wena wena ukhulumane wabona. So After that, my brother, problem e nngwe hape ve ke a hore now there's ANC and EFF fela mo Tshepisong. So EFF, they don't know how to save his people as their mandate. They know how to attack ANC because they know they were once in there. They know how these things are going, the tender and everything. They know everything. So they become personal with those who are left because they are on the other side now of the fence. And about this date, this date, and they know all that information, and it is frustrating them now. And it is redirecting them from the good point of servicing the community. Why one other day? That is why this 20 years I saw the EFF. I mean, you know, maybe nearly 15, right? Yeah, 10 years. Mara I saw because the opponent is ANC, not the community service people, not the servant of the people. Until my brother, yes. And another problem happened, my brother. Here in Tshepisong, as I observe, there are more Inyangas, more prophets, more abatanders, more churches, more pastors, you know. But yet, people are suffering. People are going to the drugs. People are going to alcohol hard every year. There are schools here in Tshepisong. Only since 100 shooter, my brother, in terms of the marks. 100 shooters only. There. Where are they? Because it's been 20 years now. Inside the 100 shooters. Year in, year out. And Elona J. Chenchile, or it was a sponsor, says a special school. According to the subject. Maybe it's been 3 years now. We will see. So now I observed a bigger problem. I'm not saying myself I'm better. Yes. I'm saying a dark spirit is on top of Tshepisong. A dark spirit. Because there are, as I said, there are more Nyangas, more prophets, amasangoma in church ngokuhlukana different colors. I don't know which one is Jesus' color there. But everyone will tell you about Jesus' ancestors because even the dukes are different, you know. Yeah. So all those people, if the opposite of wrong is right, it's only 2 ways, in fact, in the world. Only 2 ways. It's up and down. It's either you are fat or you are slender. There is no in between in most cases. It's just that as we want to simplify things in our way. But marriage, black and white, mother of all colors. But it's yes or no. So, if they are not doing the right jobs as spiritual people, but if they are not doing okay, which means they are doing wrong, there is no change. But every year, sibona abantu bayathwasa kuba yinyanga, abantu sekabafundisi, ama church aba more and more, many. You know, my brother. But the change is not there. Which means if how it is amdimu, with tatama, Satan. Until you too malfatse. If you don't do good, you are doing bad. You can't say you don't do nothing. Never. Even if you tell yourself that you don't do nothing, by so doing, you are doing something. You are seated. You are doing something. I'm telling my brother, if urwena mina ngazingeni, ngokusho kanjalo sozingenile. Awuzingeni, kusho ukuthi uyaphuma. 2 things. Umuhle, umubi. Uphuwa or rich. Unemali awunamali. It's either ungena esikolo or awasikena, my brother. No in between. You understand? So the problem, as I said, is bigger in Tshepisong. People are still going to suffer for years. Bana ba rona ba ruteile, batho ba dinyaupe ba ja ko ditaspineng. Ba ja ko ditaspineng. Why get about my brother? If I ask them, ne, my brother, udle mataspin aray malume nyahares. Ngathi uyothengisa uthenga inyawupe lezo zinto yokalisa. Ara ngeke ngithenga inyawupe. Akere they don't want that. Ara ngeke ngiyothenga inyawupe ngithi uyothengani? Ara magunyanyana ngithi yabona ukuthi udle taspin.
Basically.
Yabona? Geza ntwana yami man. Geza uhambe uye emakhishini uzobona. Umsebenzi uzovela at least ube garden boy than ukudla emadustbin. It's better. 100% better. Yangithola. So this thing yama-drugs yotshwala abantu baloko baphuza every week bathi badli life kanti ababone baloyekile. Why ngithi siloyekile? There is a dark cloud here that is covering Tshepiso, and you're gonna be affected by umthandazi or umuthi or inyanga or umprofeta or pastor. That spirit of them, we are all affected, even though it was not directed to you. Lebona bashapana. Because they are fighting, or my church should be bigger. Nake mo profeta o bigger, nake lesike nyanga e bigger. They are competing on that. They are forgetting their duty to work for the community. You understand? Yeah. So there is this cloud that I call atmosphere. And tell my brother, how to you with Tshepiso? It's like on the pitch, my brother. Or raya ball. When you say you kick the ball, direct to the poles. You see, okay, I kick it right now. Cha. How about shift the pole? But we put kwenzakale. Ngoba bengishayile lento ngiyayibona na ngishayile. Mara it is off target. So let me tell you, it is not off target. It is still on target. It's just that the poles were removed. This dark cloud, this atmosphere I'm talking about. The roof, the dark roof of Tshepiso. So now, for now, I say, be out of Tshepiso. You might see. Your things might be good. Because you see in Tshepiso, we always plant peaches, but we harvest oranges every year in year out. Even now, they are gunning ANC themselves inside. They are fighting. Apparently, Mr. Councillor of Tshepiso, now you collect money from Amakula. I don't know what that money for. That is why I want to meet with you, my brother, to come and answer for yourself.
There's too many rumors.
Yeah, there's too many rumors and too many rumors. Without the response or something, they become the truth.
Exactly.
You understand? So I know him, I respect him. Yeah, I know him, I respect him as a person. He must come. So I hear you collect money every week or every month. You will tell me to Makulas. So my question is, Makula ureka mtlakasi wona na? Because the fact is, Tshepiso haureki mtlakasi. That's the fact. And I understand that. People are not working. People are not working. And there are places where there is illegal connections. I mean, my counselor cannot say he doesn't know about that. He knows Tshepiso more than me. You understand? Even on the RDPs, Mnandini, there is illegal connection. So how can we come right, guys? So it seems like now, these rumors of saying they know the problem. Now they are trying to do the damage control using people's money, which they don't have. You understand, my brother? Hey. So I hope one day people of Tshepiso will understand and say, today we choose a candidate within ourselves, among ourselves. We choose the candidate and say, you stand up, because they know each other as a community. How about they know who is fit, who is not fit. So themselves, they must choose their leader there and say, you stand up. Because the law agrees to that.
Yes.
Because it has been shown, or ANC, 4 councillors, same problem, no solution. Come on.
It's not a coincidence.
It's not a coincidence, my brother. So hopefully one day we will get someone relevant
Yeah.
to come and explain to this. And I hope they see this video.
Yes.
Nagere, now, the only councillor that is going to do right about Tshepiso is the councillor that will be chosen by people, not by a particular party.
Yes.
One tell. And it is dangerous out there. I know these people, my brother SS, they are so dangerous. Politicians.
Yeah.
Yes, politicians. Yet they are working for people. Just imagine this, my brother. When you vote, they need anybody's vote. Anybody's vote. Why I'm saying that? When they are in the chair, on their chairs now, they say to choose a councillor or the leader. Now you need a card, a membership card, to participate. One time,
Yes.
it's highly impossible.
So that's like a barrier, basically.
Yeah. One time, but the time I was voting, nobody asked me
Yes.
who I am, and I voted for them to be there. But when I get to say I should have a say here, this councillor is not right. Who are you? Bakuluma, the language of the party now, of the politicians. Hey, leader. Hey, protocol. Protocol in step aside in. Now that there is this guy called, I don't know, in fact he's working with the police, he's doing a very good job in terms of protecting the community from crime. So that guy, Barke Kacha or Mang, no. I forgot his name. Yeah. It's a small police station in Yana, like Tshepiso.
Okay.
Green Leaf or what. Yeah. That guy, he was arrested for raping a 14-year-old child. One time. Apparently this child quickly come and confess and say, no, he did not. And then he was out. That guy apparently, he was going to stand for councillor seat. He was going to stand. So, they saw he has a influence and he stand a good chance because he's working with the community. And then they sabotage him. Because if you have some problems outside the party, in the ANC, they use this step aside thing. Step aside, comrade. Step aside, comrade. Balwana bona within the party. But to me, it's just rumors.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not fact.
Not fact. But by the way you want to tell you it's alakate. Hi.
It's like they're not rumors anymore.
It's one chala my brother. So Bafetu, I hope my website and Kulumiga Bafetu, anyone can stand up for being a councillor. That was just my opinion.
Yes.
Yeah. Because Linda, my brother, I don't like it. Look now, we are working very hard, but we are getting disturbed by Umtlakas, my brother. So please fix that, Bafetu. No matter the amount of labor time, and then how many times you change the box? Tshepiso, my brother. How many times you change the box? What is the problem exactly? And the Kibona, the AK-47, the MSO, go the shop on Tamakula, Tshepiso. They are protected by taxi owners or not taxi association, taxi owners. The MSO, the AK-47. Does Jota know about that? That's the question.
Yeah.
Does Jota know about that? That's the question. So ngeke yenzeke lento wena ikhansela ungazi phakathi kwewadi yakho angithi.
Obvious.
Please man, if you can't come yourself, please send someone to Uppercut Podcast. Thank you. Siyazibongela kuleyo bafethu. Maybe yonke into izolunga. Bafethu khumbulani. Silandelene, sisupportene bafethu, sohleze sila. Yabo, and wonke umuntu ofuna ukuza azobhodla, azofundisa, azokhuluma isitory sakhe, azoqela usizo nga something, anything. You are welcome bafethu, sizenza isikhathi for wena. Bheka la ku screen. Uthatha amanamba usibambe. Danko, until next time.